Hi guys, if you're here, you're still undecided about choosing between Beehiiv and Substack for your newsletter tool, so today I'll help you decide. You'll learn about which tool is better for SEO growth, customization, and monetizing your content. The goal is to give you the best info to help you pick the right tool for your newsletter. Let's go. Beehiiv and Substack have some similarities like built-in monetization options via memberships, newsletter platform with an integrated blog. You can use them without coding skills, generous free plans, but similarities basically stop there and an ocean of different starts. The main difference between Beehiiv and Substack are that Substack takes 10% of the revenue of each membership. Beehiiv has a better tool for pro users, while growing their newsletter fast and having a good SEO and monetization options. So Beehiiv is the better solution for users looking at their newsletter like a business. On the other hand, Substack is my recommendation for creators who want to publish different types of content in the same place, want to chat with subscribers, and like the social features Substack is developing. Let's have a Beehiiv overview. Beehiiv is a newsletter tool with blogging capabilities. This means you can use it to publish different content in the same place. Beehiiv is a no-code solution for creators who want to focus on writing without having to deal with technical configuration, and is probably the best Substack alternative available. Things I like about Beehiiv are nothing to install, free plan, zero membership fees, do everything without code, works as blog plus newsletter, good email analytics, amazing newsletter design customization, multiple newsletters in the same account, referral program, integrations. The things I don't like about Beehiiv are the free plan is extremely limited, average website customization, custom domain only on paid plans. And now let's dive into the Substack overview. Substack is mainly a newsletter tool, but they are trying to become a place to publish all kind of content like a blog, podcast, chat with subscribers, and they even have a Twitter clone called Notes. Since the platform was created in 2017, it has significantly impacted media by popularizing paid newsletters. Substack is one of the main reasons for newsletter becoming so popular again, as they made monetizing content easy. Things I like about Substack are forever free plan, do everything without code, good safety record, publish different types of contents that include newsletter, blog, podcast, and more. And it's easy to use. Things I don't like about Substack are 10% in membership fees, bad SEO, custom domain costs $50, no integrations, no email sequences, awful customization, complicated content guidelines. You have to follow their rules or risk getting banned. So that's all about Substack and Beehiiv. Just watch the video again if you have any confusions and choose the right one. See you in another video.